Two-factor authentication, not working on Good Money app fix. If two-factor authentication isn't working on your Good Money app, don't stress. This issue happens to many users and can usually be fixed in just a few steps. You won't believe how often this comes down to something as simple as your phone's time settings or a missed app update. Two-factor authentication, or FA, adds an important security layer to your Good Money account. When it stops working, it's usually a sign that your phone, app, or authentication service isn't syncing properly. Start by checking your device's time settings. Go to Settings and make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. Even a small time mismatch can cause your authentication code to fail. Next, open your App Store or Google Play and update the Good Money app. Running an outdated version can break the connection between your phone and Good Money's secure login system. If you're waiting for a text or email with your verification code, but nothing arrives, try turning off Wi-Fi and using mobile data instead. Also, disable your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can block or delay automated security messages. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, make sure it syncs correctly. In the app settings, look for sync time for codes enabling that often fixes code mismatches instantly. Still not working? Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Good Money app. This clears out any corrupted data that might be interfering with your login process. And if you've changed your phone number or lost access to your old device, tap Can't Access Two-Factor on the login screen. You'll be guided through a secure process to reset your authentication method. Once everything's synced and updated, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. Remember, that small extra step might seem inconvenient, but it's one of the most powerful ways to protect your finances and personal information in today's digital banking world.